going to take a look at just some rules for dividing integers, and I'm gonna say that if you're interested in learning more about using models to divide integers, then you can do so. And there's some spots in the notes where you can do that, but I'm not going to test you on that. I'm just going to test you on your ability to divide integers and understand the rules around dividing integers. So we are going to skip some of the notes. So I'll let you know which ones when we get there. So when you divide, just some review. When you divide numbers, you are putting them into groups. And when you divide integers, you use a number line to help you visualize. And you can visualize it with an arrow moving down a number line. The direction that you end up facing determines the sign of the quotient, and it determines the answer to the division question. So we're gonna skip over the next little section of notes here. So you can skip the section where it's talking about the different examples, and you can skip all the way to where it says number 2, using rules to divide integers. So we're going to skip all of this. So division is the inverse operation of multiplication. We know that 15 divided by 5 is positive 3. So therefore, positive 3 times positive 5 is 15. So a positive divided by a positive is a positive. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. And a negative divided by a positive is a negative. When integer signs are positive in a number sentence, the quotient is positive. And when integer signs are the opposite of each other, so if you have a negative sign and a positive sign in a number sentence, the quotient will always be negative. So these are the same rules for multiplication, because division is the opposite of multiplication. Okay, so that wraps up a short lesson on division of integers. And if you're interested in watching another video to understand the visual method of dividing integers, then I'll happily send one your way. I'll put one on Classroom, and you can look at it if you'd like. But again, it's not homework, and it's not required for you to need to know how to do that for now. Okay,